How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got these two Retevis RT21 two-way radios down here in my workshop, and I'm going to do another test this morning of what I call the range test, to kind of give you an indication of the range of these radios. And the test I'm going to do today is to simulate using these with your neighbors, either like a neighborhood watch, or for instance, I have a neighbor that lives across the street that is blind, and he could have one of these on his belt clip and call me if he has a problem. So I'm going to take this radio here, and I'm going to travel the neighborhood, not too far, but a little ways, and see what kind of reception we get. Here we go. Okay, I'm just outside my workshop where the radio is listening, and I'm heading across the street to my neighbors, which would be about 200 feet. And I have my back to my workshop right now, so the radio is between me and, my body is between me and the radio. All right, we're going across the street if I don't get run over. Okay, I'm now in my neighborhood yard, and I'm going to rotate. Now I'm facing my house, and now I'm going to walk down the street. I'm heading west, so my back is to my workshop again. I'm about 100 yards away. Now at the end of the block, which is about 200 yards from my house, and I'm now facing the direction of my house. Now we're going to go around the corner a little bit so that I can get a house between me and my house. Here we go. Okay, now I'm around the corner. I'm probably 300 yards from my house, and I'm facing the general direction of my house. Now coming back. Now I'm approaching my house, about 50 yards away. Back kind of fast. I didn't realize it cooled off, so I'm not properly dressed for this cool weather. I am now approaching my garage. And now we're back at my house. Got a little cool there. This is the first cool weather we've had here in Florida. Feels pretty good. I just wasn't prepared for it. So anyway, that gives you kind of an indication of using these radios in your neighborhood. A lot of variables, of course, time of day, how much interference there is between you and the other person. Like, I didn't go into my neighbor's house. I just stood outside. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if he's up. So that's about it. We're going to do one more test where we actually drive to a park that's about 2 miles away. And so there'll probably be on that video a lot of silence at the beginning as I drive away. But I'll try to talk as I'm driving. I don't really like to do that, but I'll do it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.